All right, all right. All right, yes, Kicks. I see what you're doing. I see what y'all doing. These are dope. 9:40 in the morning, y'all. 9:40 in the morning. Not down with the antics today. I'm just trying to get it done. It's kind of cool, you know what I'm saying? It's a decent day to do it. It's not too bright. Last time I did a video, it was way too bright. I have a newfound appreciation for people like Colo and AB with this camera stuff. These dudes is nice with it. Like, it really does take a lot of practice because it's an art form, you know what I'm saying? And managing the light, and that's just one thing that you can't manage. You know what I'm saying? You really can't, you know, you gotta be able to manipulate the camera. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be able to make the camera do what you want it to do. And I'm just not, you know what I'm saying? I'm just not there yet. I'm still a novice. Yo, what up, y'all? Today we got the Jordan 11 Low 72 and 10. One of my more favorite Jordan 11 silhouettes. This one really reminds me of the Baron 11 Lows. Definitely a grail of mine. I do not have that shoe. I wish I had that shoe. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Make sure you guys follow on Instagram. You'll see all the latest and greatest. I got a Reels page up. And make sure you guys follow the Discord. The Discord link is in the description. Make sure you guys join that Discord. We do giveaways, all that fun stuff. I really wanted to get this shoe mainly because I had the high top version and I wanted to kind of compare the two. I definitely wanted an 11 Low. And this one I think is gonna be sought after. Maybe not as much as some other shoes that's coming out this year, but you know, this one's a dope shoe. It's real clutch, all black, white midsole, gum bottom. Before I jump into all of that, just make sure you guys remember this is a UA shoe, it's not a retail. So this is just an educational video for educational purposes. The shoe is slated to release on the 15th or the 14th of May. So it's coming out pretty soon here. So we're gonna have, you know, this shoe dropping in less than a month. So we gotta make sure we get on it, all right? So 72 and 10 Low. I will put the 72, the original 72 and 10 up on here just so we can have something else for comparison. As you guys can see, we got the same kind of deal on our original. We got the red Jumpman in the back, which really helps the shoe stand out. But the main thing about the shoe is the tumbled leather on the upper. Usually this is a ballistic mesh. And on the 72 and 10, we got leather instead. And then we got some suede here instead of some mesh. Got some nice suede in the back. On the low top version, we do have that same thing. We got that nice leather here. Now, I think that the leather on the low is soft. It's all right, but I think that the high top version is a little bit softer and it's a little bit more tumbled. As you guys can see, the cut of the leather is still the same. They kind of kept that the same between the two shoes. So we got that low cut patent leather right there. And then on here, we also have that low cut patent leather. So it did transition well. We do have nice tumbled leather kind of showing through the bottom of that patent leather right there. Looks nice. Not really many widow's peaks on the low top versions. I don't think I even see any. I think you got like a baby widow's peak right there, but that's nothing. They kept the laces the same. Laces is definitely the same. They kept that. Got the 72 and 10 just like on the high top version. Heel of the shoe, instead of it having it stitched here like they have on the high top, they kind of give you this little tab right here. It's kind of like plastic, but they kind of give you that instead. They iron that on. Still got the red Jumpman. It's not metallic. It's just like a plastic looking red Jumpman, which is cool. The quality of the suede, I think the high top suede is okay. This one's actually a little softer and it's a lot darker. This one's a little bit more ashy, but it could be because I've had this pair for a while now. So, you know, that could be it. Also, so the sock liner on the 72 and 10 high is suede, and I do like that. It's kind of like a suede material whereas this is just a mesh. Like, this is just a mesh material, so we're not getting the same quality on the low top version as we get on the high top version, and that's cool. I mean, they typically do that with the Jordan 1 mids and lows as well. They kind of change some stuff up, so we're not getting like a true reincarnation of the shoe in a low top version. We're just getting something a little different. Carbon fiber seems to be relatively the same. Also, what I noticed is on the low top version they have a white Jumpman, and on the high top version they have a black, so it's not completely the same thing. It's a little different. Looks like the carbon fiber on the high is a little darker than the low top version as well, but I can't really tell. Could be the lighting. Still looks pretty good though. Toe box looks really nice. I think that they did a good job on that. Got our third spacing right here, which looks okay, not too bad. And I'm really just kind of just showing y'all the shoe, you know what I mean? I'm not really trying to go too crazy with the review. I'm really just showing you guys because it's essentially the same thing. I think these laces are a little long. These might be laces for like the high top version, but I couldn't tell you because I never had a pair of 11 lows. If this looks too long, y'all let me know. Got our insole of the shoe, black with the red Jumpman. Got our famous tag on the back of the tongue. Standard shoe tree. There's our sizing tag right there. So not bad, you know, not bad. Definitely a good remake of the high top version in a low top cut. I think this is dope. I'm just gonna kind of give you guys like another once over. It's not really a lot to say about the shoe as much as, you know, I would have done. I already did a breakdown of the high top version, so I don't want to do another one. You know what I mean? Another full breakdown. I'm just trying to show y'all, you know what I'm saying? Just showing you guys what it really looks like. And it looks good. It looks good. I like it. If I had to rate the shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, it's a totally different shoe than the high. So, I mean, I'd give it an 8.5. I like it. It does fit true to size. I'm gonna probably wear these more so than I'll wear the high top version, but that's just my preference. In terms of materials, they do have some pretty good materials on this shoe. I'm gonna have to give them a 9. I think it was constructed well. I don't see any glue marks or pen marks. There was nothing on the black light. And just remember, y'all, this is an educational video. You know what I mean? This is not the retail. It's just showing you guys what's out there, what's available to you. All right, so that's all I got for this one, y'all. I hope this was informative for you guys. You guys stay humble, you guys stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one.